Hello folks, Mundane Man here, and I will just give you a little story about what an idiot I am. Now I've had this Spark Drone, DJI Spark Drone for, I don't know, 3 months. And I've flown it a few times, but I haven't flown it for the last couple months anyways. So I decided yesterday I am going to go out to Lake Isle, or Isle Lake, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but anyways, going to go out there and just take a bit of drone footage and fly it a bit and see how it works. Well, I charged the batteries, I made sure that the controller was ready to go, which is right here, and so I drove an hour west of the city, maybe even a little bit longer, got out and started playing with my drone and the controller, and I couldn't get the stupid things to turn on. And I thought, come on. So I would hit the power button and you would see the LEDs come on there, and it wouldn't stay on. And I was like, what the heck's going on here? I can't figure this out. So I figured, okay, well, let's check the drone then. And so I would click on the back there. It shows the LEDs, means all the batteries charged up, so I would hold it on, thinking, okay, that's going to fire this sucker right up and I'm going to fly it. Couldn't get this stupid thing to go either. Boy, I was mad. So I packed up, angry, got in the truck and drove home. But before I did that, of course, there's always that great internet. So I checked the internet, and people were complaining about their controller not turning on, and the only advice they got supposedly from DJI support, and any other people on the internet was, oh, you better send it in and get it fixed. I thought, great, I've had this stupid thing for 3-4 months and it's already broken. So get in the truck, all grumpy, and I drive home. Well, when I get home, I check the internet again, and the power-up procedure is quite simple, but apparently I had forgotten how to do it because I'm a bit of a dummy. So really what you have to do is you got to hit the power button, and then you got to hit the power button again and hold it, and then the thing powers up. You can see the red light should be blinking, and the LED and the power light has also got a light on it too. So that powers up. So I thought, great, well, how dumb am I? But there's still got to be something wrong with this drone, right? Well, let's do the same procedure. Hit the power button, and then hit it again and hold it, and then it turns on. I don't know if you can hear that. It's hissing, and then you can see the LEDs start to blink, and it turns on. So I fly it around the yard for, till both batteries discharged. So probably 10-15 minutes, well, maybe 20 minutes total flying time. I thought, great. So today, hey, I'm going to go out to Lake Wabman, which is west of the city, and I'm going to take some drone footage out there. First I'm going to turn this off, which is basically you push it and then you push it again and hold it, and it turns off. Same with the remote. Push the power button and then push it again and hold it. So there you go. Know your devices. And the only person I can get mad at is me, because I'm the dummy who forgot how to turn on this thing and couldn't fly my drone yesterday. So, charged the batteries again for today, got the controller ready, packed up, and I went to Lake Wabman. And I went to a couple different spots. I actually flew the drone and decided I'm going to take some great video. We're going to get some nice aerial shots of around the area, and it's going to be great. I get home, take out there's a little mini SD card in the back there, and plug it into my computer. No video footage. I thought, oh, now what did I do? Because obviously I proved to myself that I'm the idiot, not the hardware. Well, what I was doing was when I would take off, I would hit this button. My finger's in the way. I would hit this button to record, and I thought I was recording. And with the sun, you put your phone in here and you use it as there's a map function, all kinds of different functionality in your phone that pairs with the controller. So I couldn't really tell if it was recording, because now my GoPro just turned off for no apparent reason. Back to my story. So I put my phone in here, and I would take off and I would press this button to start recording, and again, like I said, when I got home there was no video at all. So anybody who's owned a VCR or a DVD or Blu-ray player in the last 25 years knows what this button means. It looks like 2 lines straight up and down. Like, everybody knows what that means. What does that mean? It means pause. If you want to record, you got to hit the record button. Just like any other device you've ever used in your life that did any kind of recording. Well, apparently I'm from the past or something, because I couldn't remember that that was the pause and that was the record button. Basically, I wasted 2 afternoons trying to get some drone footage, and here I am with nothing. So what have we learned from this? What have I learned from this? Number 1, don't be an idiot. Number 2, learn how to use your devices. Number 3, to turn on a DJI device, you hit the power button, and then you hit it again and hold it. And that turns it on. So that's for the controller. And the same goes for the drone itself. Hit the button again and hold it, and it turns on. You'll see the LEDs start to blink again, and then you know that the thing is turned on. And finally, this is a pause button. It's not a record button. This is the record button. So there you go. That's my lessons for today. Don't be a Tom. Learn how to use your devices properly. That's it for now. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.